Abusia highest smart Ghana update so. Nana Obri Yeboah was Deputy General Secretary at the New Patriotic Party (NPP). Wakasa, wakasa inafa. As dancing somewhere so Ghana Yamonte so concerning break the 8. I will be one friends of Dr. Baumia. Now woman ho na friends of Alanche Martin no monam ho eno ache kwa dey say dia ba betum ene say video bi anasa pictures bi aba wonte posters no bi sasa wo mumu ho na campaign for 2024 na yes ebi gina ha na no wo che say say wo mo yes ade no kra no no ankasa kra no onim kwa ba bi kura sa posters no kra firi a atimi beta ata bonten sa wo mo nim hunim die bia wo mo nim amanfo mo hyehye ase because nana abane campaign ne enema bebre ti si abane campaign de enti ena wo sa amanfo bi fato omo so mo de chinchire atwan o be campaign e de ma ida said Dr. Baumia anase Mr. Alanche Martin ye kwa ne nkotie na Obri bu ahemra ye ba me ne na eje be ma ye beto aso.
Partisans, the National Executive Committee directive banning all internal campaigns is still in effect. Nana Obri Boahen is the Deputy General Secretary of the NPP.
The party, the NEC, has not lifted the ban on these activities. And therefore, we need to respect the institutions and the structures and the directives of the party. Therefore, it's wrong for any individual or a group of people to be testing the waters before putting out. It is wrong because the party has not lifted the ban. And therefore, when you have a group of individuals purporting to be testing the waters or testing the waters, that is wrong. It is against the party's structures and directives. However, you just wake up and you find these posters splashed over. As to who did that, you are able to tell. So much as you will be cautioning them that look, the party has not lifted the ban, much as you will be cautioning them. For me, you also be cautioning them that they should not take entrenched positions and they should not heighten the animosity between the camps. They should not heighten the animosity between the camps. But for me, as a valid member of the party, who has been with the party since 1992, I would say that look, young men and women, please don't do that. Don't be splashing the posters. However, if they will not be mindful of my advice, then I will go on further to say that, well, if you ignore my advice, please, I'm also advising. Make sure you don't take entrenched positions and you don't heighten animosity. That is all.
Abusia sɛ me akwakotie e de aba no. Ebo bi akwa ba bi me di di adwoa e chankoma ka ye hwan na ye hwehwe nkomo. Na na je.
Ore o.
Me say de ye kwaso ano me either friends of Baumia na friends of Alanche Martin.
Say ebi mu yusu mpani kasa bi anasa kan form my triba uchemu 4.8 million no.
No dey uko achiri.
Amo say o sha se bura so ntemu a.
No ni yakoko ntem.
Ana wani bre. Na in political there ana on the political field there kasa bebuya mbuyi no nka and entirely in the sense that this is too early for anybody to start campaigning because manse makan na Obri Boahen ya ono ne deputy general secretary of the ruling government NPP no asna o kase obi a campaign mi hu so obi a campaign etia emra mampanya che no mampani say mayangada but this break the 8 thing no has been circulating on social media. Social media has been just a band movie and campaign but if they are serious and people who learn from their past mistakes, they are this thing I keep saying it's too early for them to do any Alan Baumia thing because Ananiana caught a buasimi we are a fena mampanianya na sumdri didi na kunyano. And you know what's left for the whole party to do is to throw their weight behind the government. Na enyema bia also to achieve the goals and the manifesto promises and the campaign promises of make you know. Why be ebi so akachire nyamae nti wo boa no ya ana na no ma me gina so bu bebi se nkwa na eda na eta no ka bihwe no ebemu no because na dwuma so ani a ana candidate bebe I said this the last time and I'm repeating it na dwuma so ani a ana candidate crowd bebe no ebetumi aboa ma no so aye you know cool chop and I say if no cool chop crab a bit easier amano than say be what you say most at your campaign in mo jai the hosamo ye Koalan is the trade and industries minister and Baumia is the vice president and is a one thing nya kudi alan Baumia 10 as well their core duty is also more here to support the party to be in power no was the bread the 80 grano was acquired the whole story
we are going break bread at 20
so what I say ani amount so na fe break ni ko nya na fe akoye ade corona emre bi akobi koto ka oboase na otre ka na chi ohi wan ho o ma me lie no high fidie nti o ma me lie no ti ho na prisi for che no papa no ma sa ko paper san si mu na otre ka na chi no o papa no asan atro still dada na ne gugu na nti mo area breed 8 no onimra nso na akoye dada no 88 na top no which I think say I'll be partial here. Omampani Kufuor has been my best president ever in the history of Ghana.
Okay.
Me, my best president. And you know, Sananka Wakwenya, send the party this hand, edisubiumu anka bia. Anka we might have seen a lot of transformations. Abrano free hono. So what I say, because an ideology was very high. Ni thinking on ni creativity as a government no so but change of government bonus ukra na ideology no deba and on ukra na different you know deba nti basa emwa nti ba akwa so se wo se chinchina party nya di TV dia na ba ko so fokwa bia so pini wa ko iso beluse no so ababie
okay
nti na obri wahin yes na sana o kano so hu ba bi fifiri no been there they are baby free ba there so free baby and na
so so le no mu say poster city talabontia kwaje o mu nsem
anka mo babon anamu sorry no mu say poster bi churo social media sorry to say sorry ni address ba mu yatri so a ke be hwe o mu e de betale ho na yakohu ni pa kro twere ba mu yatri so ana poster fa na atwe ala pampa so a anka be hwe o mu a e de sa poster na ba ya atwe sa de guso no. It is if they do not really support what is going on there, those people involved should come out and rubbishes that posters near Kosovo Montana.
Okay.
Otherwise, you be fun to say Omwaya aware and they condone it and so into na
Okay. Midway baby room. Yatana can bet inside the baby room. Yes, a amount for so now one can even MPP for any be correct. As a anka Dr. Baumia. In declaring support for Mr. Alan. I want to know me against her.
I hear that for more. Ubia Pebi.
Okay.
Alan Baumia and Baumia has been a vice president, even though he has been given the chance to play a lot of role in the governments and as in presidency. Because Ronaldo, I'm an acquaintance, is all pretty fully. So he's want to do Mr. Deketa, Mr. Drone, Mr. That, Mr. This. That means he has been given the chance to also bring what he's good at, so I say, into a tasty presidency now. It could be so what tasty no. To me, train on home precopes. I say, and the fact that he has been given the power or the chance to play a role, no, doesn't make him the president. It will be also better than the CV by going to the main one, which is the presidency. No,
okay.
So because on true the support to ma. Alana, I think say and shed them munna hosa because we are in democratic or the same era. I will be here to meet na adwene se koto na ofa wafa wa mfanswa oko baby nti se ba se batebi ozu beka se o anka wako vice president for 8 years cd
am se ba pa alliance na party ni wache
yes ye nyina so enim se ekwan a yenua anase papa ba omi afa so ba party mu no like in fact said never and diplomatic means because he wasn't anybody's expectations. Nanado was going to appoint him as his vice. You know, I say, Waba, and he has no accountant or World Bank, Bank of Ghana, blah blah blah. And this animal. Nobody expected Baumia to be there. And Nyamia do Waban so be the 8 years. You have the 8 years na sanka. The papa mu adia kebi also trained also at least have been honored because Obana Kofu Edila and so or more salary or more trains be drum so. This was you Nicodemus to do Kuremua and also could have its own effect.
Okay.
But part, Adeba also be able to determine say Omampani Kofo Benu Ubu and say it's better to be a servant in the government than to be a master at opposition. I think the party member be arguing say whether about me or Alan, the focus is that the key point is to keep the party in power. That's the most important thing.
Break the 8, no?
Yes, and
okay, now the winner. Yeah, that's sorry, so they say break the 8 in posters here penny for so many motion. Papa Baumia da Subi, Sala da Subi. Who is a brasso, and say Umutu Omunai, AC form was same.
I've said it already. Madika say Sankadia Kochi, and I have a trace. Baumia say this, and I said this, and Alan is said this, and they will come out and say and send to me, oh, baby, say, you say, Mampania Bijiba, Mia Crano, or you that be a penny view of Rama to be pictures burden and from Muane. Say he has come out to diffuse that, say, crack. So, or baby, a friend Rama to be an Okusku, or no, baby, a friend Rama to grand trim from Bonacobasei. So it means that whatever goes on in social media and they hear.
Okay.
Until you can't tell me so many more way. Go adiana say, yes, I smell a patakudeno, no Jim Chinis, and come more can any moda, Kabia Bana, Kamaka 170. Someone tea a party, meaning someone tea, or matepa, so they should act.
Okay, very weak.
Yeah. Educator say I'm a Ghanaian and I stand for Ghana. I DBA Ghana, DBA. I always want to, champion it. It's not about party. It's a part, ever power and ever boa. So be it. Okay. Say this to say people. They also may answer they shouldn't do anything that will bring confusion. Emma or mana should enjoy and go fast and be okay.
Everything for young family as a sign machine. Break the 8, Dr. Baumiani, Mr. Alan Shematin, pictures, or videos, or posters at Titalabonting, and I will be a boy. Will be boy here, or Deputy General Secretary Casa found. As a man for Mushachi, no Munai. Na enye brewi ene de campaign no nam na egi esena so bo ho enkomo no me de adwa e champo ma yebesa ni machia